So today we're going to be talking about step one, a comprehensive furnace operational test and analysis. When we get out to your home, the furnace is going to be running. It's going to be sitting somewhere in your home, a closet, maybe in the garage or up in the attic, and it's going to look something very similar to this. When we start working on it, we're going to pull this all apart and get inside here and run this with the covers off. We want to be able to check amp draws, take a look at the flame. We want to check the circuit board, make sure there's no burn marks, all the wires are properly connected. None of the wires are touching flute pipes. Flute pipes can get very hot. They can get up to about 210 degrees, sometimes even more. We want to check your inducer motor. Make sure this inducer is running, not making any grinding noises. We want to check this gas valve, make sure it opens and closes properly. We want to get down inside into this coil and make sure that it's not plugged up with any kind of debris. We also want to take a look internally once this is all completely opened up, and we want to make sure there's no kind of rust, no kind of molds growing or anything in there. We want to make sure that overall this thing functions right and also is healthy for air to be flowing through it, because it's the air that's inside your home and we don't want to contaminate it with anything.